Hey guys, let's say how to stop iPhone screenshot shutter sound or click sound. So whenever you take a screenshot, it creates a shutter sound, click sound. So to turn that off, to silent this, just turn on the silent mode. Okay, so for that just press it down and silent mode will be turned on. And now when you will take a screenshot, no shutter sound. Okay, in newer iPhones you have to just press to reach silent mode, and just in the silent mode no screenshot sound will be there. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.